Hi, my name is Jim Ave, and I am the teacher for PED 910 Achievement Based Curriculum for Physical Education. I want to welcome you to our class. Um, if you need to contact me, I have my contact information both in Moodle and in the syllabus. I'll talk about how to get help later in this presentation. So the purpose of this presentation is to provide you just a quick overview of our class, the structure, the purpose of it, and how this class is designed. So what is the purpose of our class? It's my goal that you'll learn how to develop a standards-based curriculum using what's called the ABC model, or the achievement-based model developed by Kelly Melograno. I think this is a really great model to develop standards-based physical education curriculum, or any other curriculum for that fact. It doesn't just have to be PE. It can be athletics. It can be, if you're going to design anything new, it can be used for that purpose. Along the line, we're going to go over some other things, other curriculum models, and what is curriculum, and various other things. So let's talk about our class structure. You'll see in Moodle that there are 7 modules or blocks, and each module has different assignments and different topics. You'll notice also that each module follows a specific chapter in our textbook, and you'll see that each module will have presentations like this. That just provides an overview of the textbook. I think the way to be successful in this class is to read the textbook, or if you're more of an audio learner, listen to the presentations, then read a textbook. But really important that you do read the textbook. Some modules will have quizzes, some modules will have forum posts, some modules will have papers that you'll turn in. So it just depends on what I'm trying to achieve with each of the modules. And you'll see in each module that at the beginning of the module that I say to click here to see what we're doing in the module. That's provide you an overview for each module. What are our learning objectives for each module, and then I tell you what you're going to do for each module. Again, you may have a video, you may have some reading to do, specific reading beyond the textbook, and then you'll turn in assignments. And I have provided detailed information both in the syllabus and in Moodle for each assignment. So modules 1 through 4 basically will cover chapters 1 through 4 in the textbook. Then in modules 5 and 6, we have a rough draft. The big assignment in this class is you're actually going to develop a curriculum for PE. Now, I want to make this practical for you, so if you're a PE teacher, do this for your own school. Do it for the grade level that you teach. But in modules 5 and 6, you're going to write the rough drafts for that ABC curriculum project for our class. And module 5 is steps 1 through 3 in the ABC process, and module 6 is steps 4 through 11, and you'll do those as a rough draft. Now, what I do recommend in our class is complete module 1. Wait till I give you feedback before you start doing anything with module 2 and those type of things, and go in order with these modules. Now with modules 5, wait to make sure that you really wait to hear back from me on your rough draft for steps 1 through 3 before you start doing the work in the other module on module 6, because they're linked together. So we need to make sure that your material in steps 1 through 3 for the ABC process is done correctly before you start working on the next steps. And again, I have detailed information in Moodle on these rough drafts. I have provided you actually a template to follow to complete those assignments. Again, this is a pretty involved assignment, so that's why I'm trying to provide you as much help through the rough drafts. Module 7, we talk about program evaluation and program review. And then Module 8 is when you turn in your final ABC curriculum project. So where should you start? You're watching this video, which is at the course header, as we call it in Moodle. If you're new to Moodle, I suggest that you complete the Moodle online tutorials that is included in our class. And then after you view those things and go through those tutorial, complete the introduce yourself form in Moodle. If you early on, I would buy your textbook now. So I'm not sure if you can just buy an e-version or a hard book. Again, buy your textbook because you'll need the textbook before you start Module 1. Once you get your textbook, start at Module 1 and go through it. I've tried to provide you detailed information in our class on what you should be doing in our class. If you need help, there is a question and answer form. You can post your question there and I'll get back to you very quickly. Or you can send me an email. I have my email address there in class and at the top, 2 different places, and in the syllabus. If the email doesn't work, give me a call. Typically what will happen if you call me, I will not answer right off the top. Leave me a voicemail, let me know who you are. And really the best way for us to communicate is via email, but if you want to call, something we need to talk about in person, please give me a call, leave me a voicemail, let me know that you're a student in this class, and I'll get back to you quickly. I get a lot of junk phone calls, so that's why I don't answer a call unless I know who it is. People trying to tell me how they can reduce my credit card debt and those type of things. I'm here to help. I've been teaching this class for a while now. I think it's very beneficial to you to learn how to develop curriculum. There's multiple ways to develop a standards-based curriculum. I think this is just a really good model. That achievement-based curriculum model I think is very structured and help you in your own PE curriculum development process.